talk about messages to my younger self with my pal Robert. Now, typically, I'd like to frame this up so that, Robert's talking to his younger self. What would he have liked to known? When you wrote that Enron book 25 years ago, whenever that was, as a younger writer, you've gone through a lot. You've seen a lot. What would you like to tell your younger self as far as becoming educated and seeing through the smoke of this indoctrination? Because this is what I think is happening, is people are being convinced not only on the global energy thing and the global warming thing and all of this fear. Go right ahead. Please enlighten everybody as to what is actual fact and what is kind of smoke and mirrors, please.
Well, I guess it's an interesting question, Tom. I haven't thought about it in those ways, in that exact way, but in the piece that I wrote on Fire Sale, I talked about something called the Lindy Effect, which is a rather new idea to me. And Nicholas Nassim Taleb talks about this, but it's that the longer a system or something is in place, the longer it's likely to be in place. So if a book is, Taleb uses this idea of, well, if the book's been in print for 30 years, it's likely to stay in print for another 30 years. And I use that point with gasoline. So gasoline demand in the US has been about 9 million barrels a day since the early 90s. And it's 9 million barrels a day today, right? It hasn't changed. I'm just right at 9 million barrels a day. So that implies then that it's going to continue. So in terms of energy and power systems, that's is one of the key messages I would tell myself at that time, which was, you think these systems are going to change quickly? No. We have the energy and power systems that we have for a lot of reasons. And those reasons are based in fundamental physics and basic math. And it's a scale issue. So if had I known that, Tom, I would have saved myself a lot of thrashing around. But I by 2010 or so in my book, Power Hungry, I understood it, right? And I said, it's all about power density. This is the metric you have to know. And so that would be my, the Lindy effect, understand the Lindy effect and why it matters for energy and power.
Excellent. Thank you for that. That's perfect. I've